I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to start by powering devices and enabling the hotspot, because poor battery or restricted plans cause drops. First, charge above 50% and turn off battery saver so radios run at full power. Once done, verify your carrier plan supports tethering and check you have at least 2 bars of LTE or 5G. Weak cellular means weak hotspot. Finally, enable the hotspot, set a clear SSID, and choose a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password to prevent interference and unauthorized use. Now you optimize the middle of the process by reducing contention and interference. If your device supports 5 GHz, switch from 4 GHz because it's less congested and gives higher throughput. Make sure client devices also support 5 GHz. Next, limit simultaneous clients to 3 or 4 and pause automatic updates or cloud syncs so bandwidth prioritizes active tasks. Also, place the hotspot device elevated and out of pockets or metal cases. Radio line of sight and ventilation. Finish by confirming performance and having a quick fix plan. Run a speed and latency test so you know baseline throughput. If latency or speeds are poor, switch bands or change the hotspot channel. If problems persist, restart both the hotspot and client devices to clear caches and re-establish clean sessions. Make sure to try USB or Bluetooth tethering for a more stable, lower latency link when Wi-Fi remains unreliable. If nothing helps, contact carrier support and mention signal, plan, and error behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.